Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to remove a Dodge Dart shift knob using an easy method. First, gather your tools. You will need a plastic pry tool and a 10mm socket. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before starting any work. This preparation helps prevent accidental movement and ensures your safety throughout the process. Let's get started with the first step. The next step involves carefully detaching the top section of your shift knob. Use a plastic pry tool to gently work around the edges of the PR&D escutcheon or the upper half of the knob. This tool helps avoid any unsightly scratches or damage to your interior. Be patient, as you may encounter small clips or a bit of adhesive that needs to be released. Work slowly and evenly around the perimeter until the top piece separates. Now that the top cover is off, you need to access the main fastener. Carefully pull the shift boot upward, sliding it over the shifter shaft to reveal the base of the knob. For automatic models, you might find an electrical wire connector that needs to be gently disconnected. Look closely for either a small set screw or a 10mm nut that holds the shift knob firmly in place on the lever. This is the primary attachment point. With the fastener exposed, use your 10mm socket or appropriate tool to loosen it entirely. If your shift knob has a lock button, make sure to depress and hold it down during this step. Once the fastener is loose, firmly lift the entire shift knob straight upward off the shifter lever. Avoid twisting or forcing it. When reinstalling, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all connections are secure and the knob is seated properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.